Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM31 are making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to wear and tear or misalignment. This noise can be quite alarming, and if left unchecked, it may lead to further damage to the motor or other components, resulting in a more costly repair in the future. To resolve this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, and possibly a pair of pliers. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by removing the bowl and lid, then locate the screws securing the base of the machine. Carefully unscrew these with your screwdriver, taking note of where each screw belongs. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components. The source of the grinding noise is usually the blade assembly, which can be found directly beneath the mixing bowl. Check for any visible wear or misalignment. To extract the blade assembly, you may need to disconnect a few cables. Be sure to do this delicately to avoid damaging them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement blade assembly and position it correctly in place of the old one. Ensure it is seated properly before reconnecting any cables. Once everything is back in position, replace the base of the Thermomix and reinsert the screws, tightening them securely but not excessively, as over-tightening could cause damage. Finally, plug the device back in and test it to ensure the grinding noise is gone and the blades are functioning smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's important to regularly check the blades for any signs of wear and ensure that the Thermomix is used according to the manufacturer's guidelines. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.